Are you tired of the same old boring horizontal and vertical monitor layout? Well, I know I am, and that's why today I'm going to show you how you can turn your monitor diagonal and have your desktop and windows line up that way. Let's get to it. First off, this only works in Linux. For these instructions, I'm using a standard install of Ubuntu 22.04. The first thing we need to do is switch to X for a windowing system. Wayland is the default for Ubuntu 22. Open up a terminal and open this file in a text editor. I'm using Nano. Find the line that says Wayland enable and uncomment it by removing the hash symbol. In Nano, press Ctrl X to save and exit. Now reboot your system. If you found this video helpful so far, please consider liking and subscribing. Once you're back in, check the About section of settings to make sure you successfully changed the window manager. Now go back to Terminal and run xrandr. Look for the name of your display. Mine is Virtual1 since I'm in a VM. Take note of this for later. Visit this page, scroll to the bottom, enter your display name and desired rotation and shift into the tool. I like 22 degrees and 405 X shift. Copy the resulting command and paste it into a terminal, but don't hit enter yet. Go back and set everything to 0 and copy it, just so you can reset your rotation with a quick copy-paste if needed. Go back to terminal and hit enter. Boom, you've got a new, beautiful diagonal desktop layout. Have a nice day and we'll see you next time.